Hi there, students. To prize with an S, not with a Z, not with the Z like in first prize, but with an S, to prize. Let's see. Let's explain the verb. To prize means to force something open using a lever. Have you ever had a jar of jam you can't open, and eventually you have to use a knife to prise the lid off, to prise the top off the jar, because you just can't open it? That's to prise, to open something with a lever. The drawer was locked, and the thief prized it open with a screwdriver. Yeah? Or maybe he used a crowbar. This is a jemmy, so he prized it open, and this is the idea of to prize, to lever something open with a jemmy. The fireman prized the door open in order to be able to let the people leave the burning building. The wooden crest was stuck against the wall, and I prized it off the wall. Okay, so to prise something open, to prise something off, yeah, he's using this lever to prise it. Notice this is related to the verb to pry. So to prize, to pry, to jemmy, to lever, to wrench. Now we can also use this verb figuratively, meaning to obtain something from someone with difficulty, to prize something out of somebody. We had to prize the information out of him because he was very non-cooperative. We had to prize the money from him as he was so reluctant to hand it over. I had to prize the car keys from his hand because he wouldn't give them to me, and he was insisting that he was going to drive home, even though he was drunk. They prized the secret out of him by cajoling and threatening alternatively. Okay, so to prize open, to prize apart, to lever open, to jemmy open, to dislodge through leverage, to move something that is stuck. Okay, and then we can use it figuratively, meaning to obtain something with great difficulty. He prized the wooden panels off the wall. It took me 3 years to prize a pay rise out of my boss. Okay, let's look at this question with S or Z. As a Brit, I always spelt this verb to prize with an S. But apparently you can spell it with a Z. And furthermore, you can also spell the word prize, as in first prize, with an S. But my advice, to prize with an S, and first prize with a Z, and then there's no confusion. Okay, let's see. This is a regular verb. He prized the door open. He has prized the information out of the suspect. Yeah? And let's see. As to formality, this is a 5 in formality. You can use this word almost anywhere. Yeah? So nice and flexible. And then as to origin, well, there was a 15th century word, or 16th, prize, meaning a lever in English. And this itself comes from the Old French prise, or to grasp, or to take hold of something. Notice we have the verb to pry, and that's linked to all this as well. So, to prize something open, to lever it open, or to obtain something with great difficulty. I had to prize the information out of him. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prise with an S.